We have a great prize for you today. Proteins are the molecules that enable life. Proteins are building blocks that form bones, skin, hair, and tissue. Proteins are motors that power our muscles. They are the machines that read, copy, and repair DNA. They are the pumps that keep our neurons in our brain ready to fire. They are antibodies that enable our immune response, sensors that our cells use to communicate, and hormones that regulate all the cells in our body. A protein consists of hundreds or thousands of atoms. The protein's biochemical function is determined by the precise position of each of these atoms in space relative to one another. To understand how life works, we first need to understand the shape of proteins. Therefore, it has long been a dream to learn to predict the three-dimensional structure of proteins from knowing their amino acid sequence, which is encoded in the DNA. For several decades, this was considered impossible. 4 years ago, in 2020, Demis Hassabis and John Jumper managed to crack the code. With skillful use of artificial intelligence, they made it possible to predict the complex structure of essentially any known protein in nature. Another dream of scientists has been to build new proteins to learn how to use nature's multi-tool for our own purposes. This is the problem that David Baker solved. He developed computational tools that now enable scientists to design spectacular new proteins with entirely novel shapes and functions, opening endless possibilities for the greatest benefit to humankind.